Me have to do that video. And me I beg the people them share that video, you see? Because we need to highlight something what we see happen on the farm work program. Because me is a product of the farm work program. You see me I say? Yeah. See? When I came here to Canada, 2019, see? Something when me see some of the work them have to endure from some boss, some living condition when me see the man them have to go under. You see me I say? Ear in, ear out. You see me? And if you know the man them left Jamaica, if come here with them left them comfortable yard, left them family if you come here and work so hard for some boss where you cheat the man them like shit. I cheat some of the man them like slave. You see me? And many are the liaison officers them. You see me I say within Canada know about the treatment of what the man them endure. Yeah? Me see we all boss. J-pop man pan farm, see, and liaison officer them don't do nothing about that. And the same man will get J-pop the boss, drop him the next season, you see me I say, and the Ministry of Labour within Jamaica now do nothing about that. You see me I say, and everything me fam start from the Ministry of Labour within Jamaica. Oh, them treat the big man them and the big woman that we are come on the program where work so hard. You know? Yo, some of the man them fam come here from when the time cold. When me say what it call a stinger. Like a, yo, me say it a stinger like a, yo, you know, a current lick you, I saw the call a stinger. And the man them come and do that, and the man them, yo, the man them have to rough it out and tough it out. Because the man them want better for themselves and want for them family. You see me? And it hurt. When me see that same man, they have to go through the Ministry of Labour, ear in, ear out, and the Ministry of Labour, yeah, some little boy down there, some little girl down there too. I treat the big man they like a picnic them. And then not cheat for them pity their yard, so they not talk to them, so. Yeah? Me have experience with it in the Ministry of Labour. Me see it and me see it for myself. See it? How them talk to the big man them. And talk to the big woman them. They not have respect. You hear that? Them people in the Ministry of Labour, they not have respect to the big man and the big woman them. See it? And then when the man they come and fire it, them have come and come face the same thing with some wicked boss here. Don't get me wrong enough from you have some good boss here, because me not go lie. You see my boss, you see me I say what me used to work with, them man they are good man. Them man they are general. Them man they go all out for we as worker. But you have some other boss with me what my eye and see. You hear that? What J-pop man and dash the man the next season. And when the man them on the farm take a stand. Yo, the liaison officer, them, the sellout liaison officer, then come and I do nothing for the man, them, they defend the man, them. So living condition, I say, fam, when I see some man of here endure over here, you hear that? Man, yo, enough for the man down there in Jamaica, they are them big house down there, the nice room, and that's the man, the woman, and them alone in the room, when they come here, you all 4 or 5 man in a one room, bunk bed, man at that pan. Yeah? Like when you got art institution, they put in a room with 20 on up and bunk bed upstairs, downstairs. And when you got a college. You see me I say? At them life, the man have come here and do, but if not for the man, they talk something with them I go through. They would come back on the program because if you talk too much, it's like they want to shut you up. You see me I say? Yo, me go a transfer if first and find that time I go work for a wicked boy around there when they call Dan Tamso. Me never forgot that boy. Yo, that man deal with the big man around there like say I pity them. See? Me see yo, watch you now. A COVID time you know, see? And yo, when I read the Ministry of Labour, them tell you this. Say when you go over there, the boss them go take care for the 2 weeks and then they pan chance, so they must pay for that. No for the man them when they come here. The boss give the man them the food. See? I mean not talk about me here, but I talk about what I know about. Give the man them food. See? And after the man they get the food for the 2 weeks, the man them they take back the money what the government give. The boss give them as boss for pay the man them for quarantine for 2 weeks. They take back the money from the man them. See? Yeah, they don't get, which they get money for buy food for the man them for the 2 weeks. They get money for give the man them. See? $300 every week one man forget. So now $600 every get for the 2 weeks. See? And for the boss they take back the money they say a food money. See the some wicked white man them. But liaison officers them know enough of them thing here. See? No them I say yo watch ya. A COVID time, see? No 4 and 5 man can't each other in a room again. No for the boss them hide and do it. You see me? No for the boss them hide and do it. Yeah? So my brother reach out to me and say the man say, Liar Graham, why you do a video upon this? You see me? I say, cause yo, with there we are faced with the wicked boss them. You see me? I say, no for them boss in Canada, if I their slave time, they still out. Me I tell you, I whole heap with them that for the man them when they feel say they not work hard enough. You see me? I say, so it's wicked. It's wicked. And the Ministry of Labour can do more. And the liaison officers them in Canada can do more. Because listen to me now. Every week, as 26 Canadian dollar draw out of every man paycheck will come to Canada to pay a liaison service. So about 16,000 people come to Canada here. See? Just pre that. Pre how much money I got the liaison service. And after that money I got the liaison service, I'm going back to the Ministry of Labour in Jamaica to keep it active, to keep it running. You see me I say? But who is there to lobby for the farmer them? Yeah? See how some requests for them money have to do. Hey, you think a boy if you go up and some vegetable farm, apple farm, I work 6, 7, 8 months, especially vegetable farm. Yeah? You know, hey, some woman them if they tell a story we have to go do strawberry. See it, we have to dip on your knee for the whole day. Your back, oh gosh, when you go in, you can't. Your own back. You can't feel. Vegetable farm, you have to dung the on your back. All a tall man like me, my back in a mash up. Become a peach, come deal. You know, me if you can't let that up the road and down the road. But me don't feel no way I can watch and me tell you, I say me farm, my boss, a real man. You see me I say? Bill Juras, the man, they have a general. Yeah? But, you have some wicked boss. Yeah? You have wicked boss. They have one that they call Kai Win. Me not itch call him name. The man is a wicked man. Dan Thompson is a wicked man. And you have some other boss too, they are wicked. And you have some female boss too that are wicked. Yeah? They work you so hard. Yeah? Cause you think, watch out. You think a boy if you have a man, I work from Sunday to Sunday, 10 hours a day. Sunday to Sunday, you work 10 hours. See? No for the time they make you go to town on Friday, go shopping. See? You get that, you work to like from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. See? You got to town, go shop, buy a local food. They come back tomorrow, Saturday again. You have out there work. Sunday, you have out there again. You see me I say? And if, you're just sick off for one day, boss no want to take you back next season. What, if you show them one day you sick off, you know? You're tired for all that day, say, boss, you know me don't feel like I want to go to the car. I'm tired still, you know. And you did the work for all 7 months for me, you know. You work for me, and you're tired one day, and one day you can't get, you know. Yeah? And Ministry of Labour tell us, yes, you have to go do it. You have to do it. You have to do it here out, and I'm making some local boys and local girls in the Ministry of Labour, cock up their local tail and feel, so them they way up here, so. And when them see you, you go through the Ministry of Labour, you see them walk side for you, and scan you. Yeah, me see it. Yeah, me say local girl in the Ministry of scan the man them. And that's how me make up my mind 2020, me say, uno nah get the chance for this me. Uno nah get the chance for this me, so we make sure I lift up from the program. Yeah, and I respect all of the man them will lift up from the half of the farm program, which every man could have lift up. Because the cheat, if you not cheat the man them good, if you not cheat the man them good, I say, yeah. But you see the treatment, you get bad treatment from Jamaica, you come and find your fierce from the boss more. You see me I say, so I beg the man them. All of the man will lift up over the farmer program and see that video, I beg on you, share the thing. Yeah? Share the thing. Yeah, I'm one of the liaison officers them see too. The lazy one them, so you have a wicked one too. Where I get buy out.